Another type of interruption is constant questions or repeated questions. What I'd like you to do is start watching for patterns with these questions. So, are they asking you a question about something they already know? And that means they might be seeking affirmation. They want to hear, oh, yes, thank goodness I did it correctly. In that case, you might want to think about more verbal praise for them. So that way they're not asking you those questions that they already know. Another possibility is that maybe they're in the wrong position. Maybe they don't have the skill set or the knowledge retention for the job that they have. So you would need to take a critical look to see, are they a fit? Because something that's happened in the last 6 to 8 months is that there have been a lot of shifts in job responsibilities and what people need to do in order to help cover all the bases when a lot of the expenses have to be cut in order to make sure that companies are still profitable. So it could be that somebody got slotted into the wrong spot and they really truly don't have the skills. They need to be in a different position to be more successful. And then another type of question is a question about something they should already know, but don't. So you need to ask yourself, are they insecure about making a decision? In which case you can walk them through coaching questions and build up their confidence. So for example, if somebody comes up to you and says, hey, how do I reach out to XYZ patient's family? Then if you know the answer right away, if you just give it to them, you are training them to come to you for every single answer. So what you'd want to do is question them to train them up. So you could have a conversation, something like, I really appreciate the time that you are spending on this particular patient. And I want to make sure that in the future, you know how to get this information so that way you never have to wait on me. So where do we keep the patient information? Where is going to be the best place to log into to find that specific communication piece that you're looking for? So you're asking them these questions to help build up their skills. Now, another part of this, if they are asking you questions about something they already should know, is going back and reviewing the onboarding process. Is there something that could be done differently so that way these skills are developed during that onboarding process? And so it's something to think about. Start paying attention to the patterns of who is asking these questions and what types of questions they are asking.